Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be making some Ramadan gift boxes, and I thought I'd show you as well. I ordered these from Temu, and they were about, I think about £2.50 for 10, I think. They're a little bit smaller than I expected. So that's that. Then I ordered some Ramadan balloons. I'm hoping it looks nice once it's blown up. So this is nice. It's got a moon, and you've got a little lantern here, and it's got like a mosque. And then the person at home can just hopefully stick in a straw and blow this up themselves. I can't actually remember how much they cost. These weren't expensive. Again, these were from Temu. I think maybe like £2 per pack. Oh, this one's got a straw. Okay, one lucky person's gonna get a straw, but let's see. Look how nice that is. So this one you get, okay, you got Eid Mubarak on here. It's not Eid, but it's nearly Eid, right? And this is another star, and this got quite a lot in this one. So I think that's pretty nice. I think that's a nice thing to add in to the gift box. Then I got some, this is supposed to be Ramadan little pouches, but I've just noticed it says Eid Mubarak. Oh no, it is Ramadan. Okay, ignore me. I don't know why, I thought it said Eid Mubarak on it. Okay, you got some Ramadan little packs here. I thought this would be nice to put the kajur in, but they're quite small again, aren't they? But yeah, that'll be nice. And they also come along with some stickers, which is nice. I didn't know they're going to come with stickers. I wasn't going to buy this because I thought the colours looked a bit funny, but then I looked in Card Factory, and literally Card Factory had, imagine this little bill for £1.25p for like gold. I was like, forget that. So this is £1 from the works. So I got 2 packs of these. Again, they just had these colours, so I rolled with it. So we just got these 2 random colours. I might use these, or might not. We'll see how it goes. Ramadan stickers. So I can either add these along in the box, or I can decorate the box with it. We shall see. So they were literally like £1, or they were really cheap. What's going to go inside is a balloon, maybe stickers, and obviously Ramadan, we're going to have some dates. So I got some dates. I really like these Iranian dates. They're really soft, and they're not sticky. So they're soft but not sticky, which is nice. So I got some 3 boxes of these dates. So we've got that, and then I obviously got some nuts. We've got some walnuts, we've got some pistachios, we've got some cashews, and obviously we need lots, so I bought lots and lots. I don't want to go back to the shop, so I just bought all these. I'm hoping they're enough. If they're spare, then that's always a good thing. So pistachios, these cost £2.25p from Lidl. This cost, I think it's £1.99 Lidl, and this also costs £1.99. Obviously I bought a lot of packs. And then I did buy these on the Christmas sales. So usually they cost like £3 a pack. But I think these are from like the Christmas sale, so I got it for 75p each. Obviously, you need lots. Right, this is everything that I think we need to make a lovely Ramadan gift box. So let's have a look. Look easy to do. Hold on all the sides. I looked on Amazon, I thought maybe I'll order more, and then honestly these exact boxes were on for £15. £15, come on. Temu was literally like £2.50.